Hi there! In this video, we are going to have a quick look at our Facebook e-commerce chatbot database. All the data has been fetched from this Google Sheet. First, let me show the category sheet. We will use this sheet to store and edit product categories. We have three categories: milk products, jeans pant, and shirts. Every category is associated with a category number. This category number is used to fetch related products from the product sheet. Let's move to the product sheets. Here we can store and edit product details. Each product has a product ID, product name, and product price and is associated with the category ID. Now let's move to the category cart sheet. In this sheet, we used to store the cart details. Cart details include the phone number, product IDs, last updated time, cart created time, and total cart value. When the user places this order, the cart will be emptied. Zero in cart IDs denotes empty cart. As soon as the cart is edited by the user using our chatbot, the total cart value will be updated. Now let's move to the order sheet. The order sheet has order time, order number, order items, phone number, delivery type. If they choose home delivery, their address will be available on this sheet. If they choose pickup at store delivery type, the branch will be available on this sheet. Then finally we have order status. Here you can change the order status. Finally, we have the total value of that order.